What a great movie! What did you think, dear?
It was alright.
Alright.
I liked it. Me too.
Tommy, did you... Aww, he's asleep.
Now he doesn't know how the movie ends.
He's had a big day. He went shopping with me.
And he was swimming in the pool for ages. And he was dancing with us too.
So it's no wonder he's tired.
Poor thing. I'll carry him up and you girls get ready for bed.
Already.
Good job getting Tommy into bed without waking him.
He's so tired, I don't think anything would have woken him.
Good night.
Good night, dear. Is that Tommy?
Yes, I've never heard him snore like that before.
What should we do?
Leave him. I'm sure it won't last long.
Okay.
I can't take it anymore.
I'm going to wake him. No, Tommy. Tommy, wake up.
Daddy? What's wrong?
Nothing. You were just a little noisy in your sleep.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay. Good night.
Good night, Tommy.
Good night.
Not again. I'm sleeping downstairs.
Oh, I was going to do that.
Sorry.
Ah, what a great sleep. Come on, Mummy, get up.
I'm too tired.
Great. Now I have a sore neck from sleeping on the sofa.
Why were you sleeping on the sofa?
Because someone kept us up all night, didn't they, Barbie?
Mummy?
Oh, sorry. What was that?
Hey, where are you going?
To practice my soccer. I'm going to practice all day so I can get really good.
Oh, great.
Well, don't practice too hard. Make sure you get plenty of rest.
Don't be silly, Daddy.
Oh, he's not snoring.
I'm surprised with all that running around he did all day.
This is great. Now we can get a good night's sleep.
Good night.
Good night. You have to be joking.
I'm getting the sofa tonight.
Or you want to sleep in this room, Tommy?
What? Yes, please. Huh? What's going on?
Tommy wants to sleep in your bed.
But...
Look at that face. Are you going to say no to that face?
I'll say no. Me too.
Thanks, girls. Tommy is going to love it. Good night, everyone.
Don't you come on my side. Yeah, you stay in the middle. Okay.
Well?
He's sleeping in the twins' bed.
Yes. Good thinking, Ken.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
What is that? I think he's snoring. He sounds like a bulldozer. Tommy, wake up. Tommy. What? What's wrong? You are being very noisy. You keep snoring like that and the house is going to fall down. Really? I didn't hear anything. Well, keep it down, please. We need our beauty sweep. I'll try. Thank you. Good night. Good night. Make it stop. Make it stop.
What a wonderful day.
I feel so energized.
Me too. I had a good sweep.
Girls, eat your breakfast.
We're too tired. Yeah, someone kept us awake all night. I didn't hear anything. Well, there's no way you're sweeping in our bed again, mister. Oh, come on.
Thanks, girls. Tommy had so much fun sleeping here last night.
But...
Okay, see you in the morning.
Not one sound, little brother. Okay, good. No. This can't be happening. What are we going to do? I have an idea. What? What's that noise? Tommy? How did you get here? Tommy? Oh, hi Auntie Chelsea. What are you doing here? The girl said I could sweep here tonight. Did they now? Your bed is really comfortable. All right, you can stay here, but keep quiet. No problem. Tommy. There is no way he's sleeping in my room again. Or my room. Or my room. We both have the same room, Annabelle. Oh, yeah.
Well, he's not sleeping in our bed with that snoring.
So where's he going to sleep?
I have just the place. I could have dropped Tommy off. That's fine. I was out anyway. You behave yourself, Tommy.
I will. Come on, Matt.
See you tomorrow. Bye, and thank you.
Is he gone?
He sure has.
Woo! Ah.
What? Who could that be?
I have no idea.
Oh no, what's wrong? Sorry, but Tommy can't sleep at our house tonight.
Why not?
He's too noisy. His snoring is waking everyone in the house.
Snoring? We've never heard him snore, have we, dear?
Not at all. Maybe you should try again and... Sorry. See you next time. But...
I don't know what they're talking about. I don't snore.
Oh well, looks like you're sleeping in Chelsea's room tonight.
Nuh-uh.
Okay. Looks like you're sleeping in the twins' room.
No way, mister.
All right.
That's okay. I'll just sleep in your bed tonight.
No.